The web development boom, why now is the time. In today's fast-paced digital age, the internet has become an integral part of our daily lives. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, we're constantly interacting with websites and online platforms. This unprecedented reliance on the internet has led to a significant surge in the demand for web development skills. Written by John Duckett, author of HTML and CSS Design and Build Websites. John Duckett's work has been instrumental in making web development accessible to a broader audience. His books have demystified the complexities of coding, making it easier for beginners to get started and for experienced developers to refine their skills. The internet has revolutionized our world. It has transformed the way we communicate, learn, shop, and entertain ourselves. The vast amount of information available at our fingertips has made it possible for anyone, anywhere, to access knowledge and resources that were once out of reach. From online shopping to social media, websites are the backbone of our digital lives. They serve as the primary interface through which we interact with the digital world. Whether it's buying a product, connecting with friends, or consuming content, websites play a crucial role in facilitating these activities. This explosion of online activity has created a huge demand for skilled web developers. Companies of all sizes are looking for talented individuals who can create and maintain their online presence. The ability to build functional, aesthetically pleasing and user-friendly websites is highly sought after in today's job market. It's a career path filled with opportunity, creativity, and the chance to build something truly impactful. Web developers have the unique ability to bring ideas to life, turning abstract concepts into tangible digital experiences. This creative aspect of web development is what makes it such a fulfilling and exciting field to be in. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some coding knowledge, now is the perfect time to dive into the world of web development. The resources available today make it easier than ever to learn web development from scratch. Online courses, tutorials, and coding boot camps provide structured learning paths that can help you build a strong foundation in web development. This field is all about bringing ideas to life on the internet, and it offers a rewarding career path for those willing to learn and adapt. The dynamic nature of web development means that there is always something new to learn. As technology evolves, so do the tools and techniques used in web development, making it a field that is constantly evolving and growing. The best part? You don't need a traditional computer science degree to succeed. Many successful web developers come from non-traditional backgrounds. What matters most is your passion for learning and your willingness to put in the effort to master the necessary skills. With dedication and the right resources, you can gain the skills needed to thrive in this exciting field. There are countless online resources available, from free tutorials on YouTube to comprehensive courses on platforms like Coursera and Udemy. These resources can help you learn at your own pace and on your own schedule. So if you're ready to embark on a journey of continuous learning and digital creation, web development might be the perfect path for you. The field of web development is not just about coding. It's about problem solving, creativity, and innovation. It's about creating digital experiences that can have a real impact on people's lives. Let's explore the steps you can take to turn your passion for technology into a fulfilling career. The first step is to start learning the basics of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These are the foundational languages of web development and will give you the skills you need to start building your own websites. From there, you can explore more advanced topics like responsive design, web accessibility, and server-side programming. With each new skill you learn, you will be one step closer to becoming a proficient web developer. First steps on your web dev journey: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These three languages form the backbone of web development, and understanding them is crucial for anyone looking to create websites or web applications. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone with a bit of coding experience, mastering HTML, CSS, and JavaScript will open up a world of possibilities. Written by John Duckett, author of HTML and CSS Design and Build Websites. This book is a fantastic resource for anyone starting out. It breaks down complex concepts into easy-to-understand sections, making it accessible for beginners. Duckett's clear explanations and visual approach help demystify the process of building websites. Every website you see is built using a foundation of code. This code is what makes the internet function, and learning to write it is like learning a new language. Just as you would learn vocabulary and grammar in a spoken language, you'll learn syntax and structure in coding. Your journey into web development begins by learning the three core languages: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Each of these languages serves a unique purpose, and together they create the full web experience. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are the essential tools in a web developer's toolkit. Think of them as the building blocks of the web. Just as a house is built with bricks, wood, and nails, a website is constructed with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Each piece plays a critical role in the final product. HTML provides the structure and content of a web page, like the text, images, and links. It's the skeleton of your website, defining the layout and elements that users will interact with. Learning HTML is the first step in your web development journey, and it's essential to get a solid grasp of it. CSS is all about style. It dictates how your website looks, from colors and fonts to the layout on different screen sizes. CSS allows you to create visually appealing websites that are also responsive, meaning they look good on any device, whether it's a desktop, tablet, or smartphone. JavaScript brings interactivity to your creations. It allows you to add animations, handle user input, and make your website dynamic and engaging. With JavaScript, you can create features like image sliders, form validations, and interactive maps, enhancing the user experience. There are countless online resources available to help you master these languages. From tutorials and documentation to forums and communities, the internet is full of information to guide you. Websites like MDN WebDocs and W3 Schools offer comprehensive guides and references. Free platforms like Codecademy and FreeCodeCamp offer interactive tutorials, allowing you to practice coding in real time. These platforms provide hands-on experience, which is crucial for learning to code. They also offer projects and challenges to test your skills, while platforms like Udemy and Coursera provide more structured learning through paid courses. These courses often include video lectures, quizzes, and assignments, giving you a more in-depth understanding of web development. They also offer certificates upon completion, which can be a valuable addition to your resume. The key is to find a learning style that suits you best and stick with it. Some people prefer video tutorials, while others learn better through reading and practice. Experiment with different resources to see what works for you, and don't be afraid to mix and match. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and learn from them. Debugging is an essential part of the coding process, and it's where you'll learn the most. Each error you encounter is an opportunity to improve your skills and understanding. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become in your coding abilities. Building projects, no matter how small, will help you apply what you've learned and see your progress. Over time, you'll develop a deeper understanding of web development and be able to tackle more complex challenges. Collaboration is also a significant aspect of web development. Working with others can provide new perspectives and ideas, and it's a great way to learn. Join coding communities, participate in hackathons, and contribute to open source projects to enhance your skills and network with other developers. Attending conferences and meetups can also be incredibly beneficial. These events offer opportunities to learn from industry experts, stay updated on the latest trends, and connect with like-minded individuals. Networking at these events can lead to job opportunities and collaborations. As you progress, you'll want to dive deeper into advanced topics. Books, online courses, and tutorials on advanced JavaScript, CSS frameworks like Bootstrap and HTML5 features will help you expand your knowledge and skills. Continuous learning is key in the ever-evolving field of web development. Personal projects are a great way to apply what you've learned and showcase your skills. Whether it's a portfolio website, a blog, or a web app, building something from scratch will give you practical experience and a sense of accomplishment. Plus, it's a great addition to your portfolio. Seeking feedback from more experienced developers can also accelerate your learning. Mentorship can provide valuable insights and guidance, helping you avoid common pitfalls and improve your coding practices. Don't hesitate to ask for help and learn from others' experiences. Finally, celebrate your successes, no matter how small. Each milestone you reach is a step forward in your web development journey. Whether it's completing a course, building your first website, or landing your first job as a developer, take the time to acknowledge your achievements and keep pushing forward. Web development is a rewarding and dynamic field with endless opportunities. By mastering HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you'll have the foundation to create amazing websites and applications. Embrace the learning process, stay curious, and enjoy the journey. The web is your canvas, and with these tools, you can bring your ideas to life.